What is up, guys? Norris Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video is going to be a quick update on Vechain. Nothing too spectacular, but another update on Vechain. If you haven't watched my other Vechain videos yet, check them out. I have some different price predictions for this bull run that are pretty impressive. I think you'll like those videos, so check those out. We're going to continue to cover Vechain on this channel. We're also going to cover 20 plus assets, including ADA, XRP, Vechain, like in this video, Digibyte, API 3. We are covering Algorand, HBAR, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin, StormX, CKB, Nervos, whole list of coins. And we are big on exit strategies and profit taking. The exit strategies, that is using a variety of indicators on the charts, and the other exit strategies are basically the fact that I have studied the Bitcoin chart back for years and years. I have studied many different crypto charts back for years, and there are definitely patterns that tell you, hey, this might be a time to get out of this coin, get out of these coins because the bear market is back. There are many signs, not just indicators, but there is a variety of signs, and I'm going to be announcing those signs on this channel later in the bull run. So subscribe for that. Subscribe for Vechain news. We're going to do some Vechain chart real quick and just talk about Vechain. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 hours. That is the goal. So help me hit the goal of 1,000 subscribers. It's free to subscribe, and I do put a lot of time and hours into these videos. So please click subscribe down here in the corner. And thank you to everybody who is subscribed and is still watching my channel and following and commenting below. I like the comments. I like the likes. I like to read them. It's all good stuff. Love it. So let's dive in to Vechain after you follow me on Twitter, Norris Digital Assets. Let's dive into Vechain. Vechain on the daily does not look amazing, obviously, but one good little sign here, very small sign. If we were to zoom in on this 20 EMA, you're getting it to flatten out. Yeah, it's a real short, it's not much right now. It's not super flat or starting to curl up yet, but it's a start. It's a start, and we'll take it because obviously we want a trend reversal. We need the 20 EMA to come back over the 55. You need that for any price action. Without the 20 coming over the 55, it's literally going to be it's going to be nearly impossible to actually go up in price. Like, it's just not possible. Like, they're one and the same. So like, that's what we want. We want a reversal in momentum. We want that 20 to go flat and then start to curve up. So that's what we want. But there's not much to really look at on the daily. We've been in this, you know, I can draw out this wedge pattern that we've been, you know, falling. And look how steep that is. Look how it meets. You can see how it comes through and meets all those candle bodies. I mean, look at this here on the candle bodies, all through on all these candle bodies. And you finally broke out of that falling wedge pattern, because that was kind of ugly there. Hold on here. Let's redraw this here. Yeah, that's very steep downward falling wedge here that we've just been kind of just stuck, and you can see we kind of just popped out of it there. But look, to actually take a look at anything, we need to go to the 4 hourly on Vechain. On the 4 hourly, this is where it looks much nicer here. Let's see here. So on the 4 hourly, we're getting, for whatever reason, there's no major news that I know about with Vechain, but for whatever reason, we're getting this volume, which is pretty nice looking volume compared to, look at all here where we were flat, and then, you know, you look through here, you know, so these are some decent sticks of a volume here. And notably, what is very nice is when you get this much volume like this in shorter periods of time on the 4 hourly, you get this massive curvature out of the 20 EMA here where you just get that curve up. So right now, let's see what happens over the coming hours. But this, if we can get this cross here on the 4 hourly, that is definitely a buy signal. And heading into October And Bitcoin right now, we don't know that Bitcoin's even going to need that $37,500 range for support. Who knows? Maybe 40,000 was enough support for Bitcoin. We'll have to wait and see over the coming days and over the coming week. Vechain, though, with some nice volume, some nice green candles. Love to see it. Love to see it because, honestly, in my eyes, Vechain is highly undervalued and underrated still. I mean, 9.6 cents. In my opinion, Vechain is going to outperform most of the major coins in this bull run. Most of them. As far as percentage gains up. And percents, that's what it's all about. It's not really about, is this coin 1 cent, 2 cents? Is Ethereum 3,000, 5,000? You know, Ethereum has to go up 3,000, has to go up $3,000 from 3,000 to 6,000 just for that 100% gain. For Vechain to go to 18 cents is much, much easier. And that's why it's all about percentages. And a lot of these altcoins that are smaller market cap, like Vechain, Algorand, HBAR, a lot of these smaller market cap coins can make those movements easier than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Although I do expect Ethereum to perform very well. I have videos on Ethereum and I also hold Ethereum. Just using that as an example. But let's go back. We love this. Let's get that cross, but let's go back to the daily chart. And I'll point something out here. So we are going to reset the chart and we're going to pull out the old classic fib here. Let's move this. Let's get rid of volume. We already looked at volume. Let's get rid of that. Clean up the space here a little bit. Let's pull out the fib on these wicks here. We don't need to go too conservative right now. This is Vechain. Let's take a look here. And Vechain, in my other videos, I have spoke on Vechain coming up to at least in the bull run, to at least 80 cents in the bull run. From where we're at now, we are at this 9.6 cents from there up to the 1618. And this isn't even the 2272. This is the 1618. That is a gain of 719%, guys. That's just to the 1618. That's hitting the 1618 in a full bull run is somewhat conservative because a lot of coins are going to go to the 2272. Now, can Vechain do that? I don't know. That would be insanity. That would be insane gains. It's not impossible, but that would just be insanity. That would be a 2,200% rise. 22. I mean, that's pretty crazy. But I do expect a number of coins to go to the 2272 on their runs, and there are coins that have already come up into this range. So really, it's not that unlikely, to be honest. But at least in this bull run, I am expecting to go to the 1618, 78 cents, 80 cents in that range. And that is why I believe, because that's just the 1618, that is why I believe Vechain is one of the most underrated and undervalued coins right now. And it's not like Vechain is a small name coin by any means. It has huge name recognition. It has a lot of followers. It's got a lot of supporters and all that, but it's done nothing on its retracement. Its retracement has done nothing. We got an all-time high of 28 cents, 27.5 cents, and it's 9 cents now. After this bull run gets going, and it was just 15 cents recently, but after this bull run gets going and it's 15 cents, 18 cents, people are going to be kicking themselves. Not financial advice, but this would be the time to accumulate. We're under a bearish cross on the daily time frame. It's not going to get much better than that on any of these coins if we do get this bull run, which I expect to see. Plan B on Twitter, 800,000 followers. He's not changed his tune. He predicted in June 47,000 for Bitcoin in August. That was correct. He predicted in June 43,000 for Bitcoin in September. That was correct. It's the last day of September. He's right again. He still has, from his June predictions, 63,000 in October, $98,000 in November, and $135,000 in December. If any of that comes true, I don't see any way how Vechain does not come up to the 1618. I don't see how that makes any sense that it wouldn't come up to the 1618 when I expect a number of coins to come up to the 2272. Being on the 1618, that's conservative. That's 700%. That's pretty massive. And anyways, not even factoring all that in, just looking at the basics here, it was at 28 cents. It's at 9 cents. In a bull run, in a major bull run that's coming, coins, it's very typical for a coin to easily come past, to break its all-time high, go into price discovery mode and gain and go up. So I don't see why Vechain even had to even go down like this in the first place, or all this. I can't believe there weren't more buyers to be lined up, but hey, I think that they're kind of, if we get this bull run, they're the ones missing out. So it is what it is. People will want Vechain at 18 cents, at 22 cents, at 26 cents. It breaks all-time high when Vechain's in the news. Later, people will want it. People will want it, sure. Well, they'll be late to the party because there's been plenty of time to accumulate Vechain. So that's what I think on Vechain. I know Vechain is connected somewhat to China. I'm not a fan of China, obviously. I have owned stocks in Chinese tech companies, Alibaba. I owned a lot of stock in JD.com. It is the Chinese version of Amazon. JD is a massive company over in China, and I've owned that before. And it had some major corrections, and there's so much FUD with China that I didn't even want those stocks anymore. I mean, maybe later I will venture back into JD. I'm not sure. It is the Chinese Amazon, and I expect it to go crazy in the long run. But my point is that, like, I am very aware. I sold all my Chinese stocks. I'm just telling you, I am very aware that China has a lot of FUD surrounding it, and a lot of these different cryptos or stocks that are attached to China can definitely be more volatile and risky. That is possible, but Vechain is also connected to a lot of other countries too. It's not just China, and this crypto is worldwide, and it's not like Vechain is technically a tech stock, a Chinese tech stock either. So it's a little bit different, and that is why I have a good amount of Vechain, and I am holding my Vechain into this bull run. And Vechain is looking pretty good. I like the volume that we got coming in. That 4 hourly on Vechain, I like that. I like how it's looking. I like this volume, and let's see what we get. But let's get this cross on the 4 hourly. And do we have anything else on the daily? Let's take a look here. Stock RSI is coming out kind of from low here. Definitely a bullish sign here with this blue line coming up. Are we breaking any sort of downtrend in the RSI? Let's take a look here. It looks like we are, depending on where you set it. If you come through here, we kind of broke out of it. Here, you're starting to kind of break out and starting to try to come back up. Like I've said in my other videos, you can only stay down here so long. You're going to come back up. And when the stock RSI, look at this. When the stock RSI comes out of this gutter, look up on my cursor here. See the dotted lines? When you come up out of the stock RSI, the price is going up too. When you come up out of this, the stock RSI being in the gutter on the daily, it's oversold. The momentum will eventually reverse. Momentum reversal. And look when the stock RSI comes up. Look at the price. Boom. So that's what we've got going on. There's not much else to say on Vechain. Just thought I'd give you a quick little update on the charts or whatever. Got some little bit of volume coming in. The buyers came in, and we're straightening out that 4 hour. We're straightening out the chart on the 4 hour time frame. So you love to see it. You love to see this right here. Wherever that volume's coming from, and for whatever reason, very good sign. Straighten ourselves out and if we're already straightened out more than other coins in October, we're straightened out before the bull run even fully gets going. That would be even more bullish for Vechain. So let's just wait and see what happens. And that's going to be it for this video, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Please subscribe when trying to hit 1,000 next 24 hours. Comment below if you agree on Vechain. Comment below if you agree that Vechain is being undervalued and underrated right now. It's not a hidden gem by any means. Vechain's it's a big ass crypto, but let me know what you think if people are undervaluing it, because seriously, we got 27 cents, 28 cents as an all-time high, yet we're sitting at 9.6 cents right now. So let me know what you think below. Hit the like button for the algorithm. Help spread the word on Vechain. The more comments, the more likes, the more this video is going to be recommended by YouTube. YouTube recommends a lot of my videos, and that's how I've been getting so many views on some of my videos, a couple thousand views on some of my newer videos, because YouTube has been recommending them, and I can see all those analytics on my channel. The more likes, the more comments, and they recommend those videos. So anyways, that's it for this video, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.